Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't extend C drive with unallocated space in Windows 10 or 11. To fix this, you need to ensure that unallocated space is adjacent to the C drive and that the extended volume option is enabled. Then you could follow these steps. First of all, you need to verify unallocated space adjustment. So open the disk manager. So for that, you want to press Windows plus X on your keyboard, after which you just want to go and identify C drive from here, or you just want to go to disk management here, and once it opens up, you want to go ahead and locate the C drive, after which what you need to do is then look for the unallocated piece directly after the C drive. If the unallocated space is not adjusting, you will need to delete the volume to create adjacent space. So deleting a volume will erase all the data on it. So ensure that you have already backed up any important data before you proceed on. So here you could go and locate your located space. If you see, you could actually right click on the mouse and then delete it. So once you do it, so you could go and click on properties, or you could just go and click on delete, and that's how it works. Similarly, what you could also do is you could also right click on a C drive and a disk management and select or choose extended volume. So here it is, right click on the mouse and go to extended volume, and you can go and press that option first of all, and once you click on it, the extended volume will guide you through the process of adding the unallocated piece to your C drive. So select this piece to extend it, and likewise, if the extended volume is grayed out, you could check for system reserve participation. So system sometimes, reserve participation often. Small can prevent extended volume from working. For that, you want to use the command prompt on the search box. You want to type in run. Once you do it, so here is the box. So what you have to do is you want to type in the command prompt, that is this part, hit the enter button. Once you do it, so click on the yes button, and after which follow the instruction and type in list disk and press on the enter to see all the disk. Then you could go and follow the prompt, and that should be able to help you out. So these are some ways to fix it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.